Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back. Actually, with a pretty good day trading recap. Yes, amazing trading day for me. Even though I did not get the whole move. Come on, I was just trading the first 30 minutes of the open. That's what I need because we're trading part-time. So this is the whole move that we got about $3.30 for the first 30 minutes, and that's all we need. Yeah, and then I know Tesla moved about $7.50, like crazy move for the day, but yeah, the purpose is you were doing part-time trading, right? Yeah, so it's been a great week. Um, Yesterday that I did not make a recap because I was trading my mobile phone. It was a small trade. But yeah, look at this. Look at this trade. Today was amazing. I had a chance to trade, even though I had to leave. Mm, so what did I do? Let's look. Around 9. So I traded pre-market. Yeah, so I was a little long bias above that 210. As you can see here, there's a 210 area level that I have here. Um, look. So it was holding it. The reason why I was really biased in 210 area because as you can see in the pre-market, mm, it was really holding that 210, and then this 2980 that was yesterday's. Let me see. That was yesterday's high. Um, Sorry about that. So yeah, that was yesterday's high, which was this. Yeah, so this area here. So I was actually watching that. If it holds, then I'm gonna take it long, which I did here. Around 210, 209 area. 209 was the high of yesterday. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. I said, but if it flush in the open below that 22980, if it flush below that, then you know it's gonna drain back to whatever, I don't know, 205 maybe, yeah, 205 maybe 203. Yeah, Tesla move like Tesla's ATR is crazy. It's just like you can easily get a dollar move out of it if you know what's the bottom and what's the top. You can easily get a dollar, like this one right here. This is $2 move. This one is what? $2 move per candle. That's insane. Yeah, this candle is $2 move, but I was stopped out. But imagine if you didn't get stopped. If I had a better entry, but I'm sure I will get stopped because entry was just my entry was even below 210. Imagine I was still stopped out. But yeah, I caught most of the move there. I was really happy. But my first trade was actually at the pre-market. Mm, so I was trying a long here because it was holding. It was just really holding this 20980. I said, "What's this number?" And then I just realized it was yesterday's high. And Tesla is really strong, really strong. And it's kind of hard to actually short this stock because it's just really strong. Let's look at my watch list today. See what we had this morning. So as you can see here, um, check. As you can see here, this was my pre-market earlier. Pre-market scanner. Number one was Tesla. Nothing else to trade. It's just Tesla. Apple was there, yeah, not much volume, 800,000, 2 million volume. That's crazy. Arvel was okay. It's if it's above one, could have been better. Let's see what happened to PLTR if it continued. Oh, it did not. Yeah, I can see from here. So it's just consolidating from there. Yeah, so nothing else to trade, but just Tesla. I've been trading Tesla for the past few days now. So yeah, I just used 210 as my, like, I mean, I have reds because I know if it goes below that, then it's going to be a short. Um, or if it goes above that, like I have two 11s here as well. I was just using this two area here. There's a level of 21123. Next target was 213, and the ultimate target was actually this 218, 217.65 area. But you need a whole day to trade that. But I have it there just in case. Um, so what I did when it touches, so actually it opened a little weak. So 210.15 is the open. It dipped down a little bit. So when it tested this 209.08 before it even make a white candle or green candle, I jumped in before 210. So that was my entry. So that's 210.20. Oh, what? Oh, that was this one. I was like, why is it should be this one, yeah. So wait, so let's look the time. Looks like it's wrong. So first was this. I took partial. Okay, I got filled a few times. So this was when I stopped out. When I stopped out, like it's harder. This the reason why I don't want to trade pre-market. It's hard to get filled. Yeah. So I got stopped out where my entry was. So I got filled a few times because it's a pretty good position. But it's not. It's a small win because I stopped out. But I have 210. It's my area. I said, okay, if it holds that, I'm gonna take it long. If it goes below that, of course, I'm gonna take it short. That was the plan. So 210, I took it long here. New entry 209.98 before 210 break. 2 cents before the break, I got in. I got a really, really good move, almost $1. 210, actually 211, yeah. 210, yeah, $1. So, I was risking $1 for this one. I didn't want to risk 50 cents because that's going to be too tight. So $1. So I took half. Like this was, I took more than half of my position. I'm pretty sure this was 25% left because I know it's gonna pull back and retest. I could probably re-add back for a 1 minute orb because I was too early. Imagine I was 15 seconds at the open. I was in. But if I wasn't in, I could have taken this as a long as well. Yeah, I could have taken this as a long. So this could have been a nice winner as well. So 210, 211, 213, $2 move. So that's good. But I probably get stopped. Yeah, I'll probably get so I'll probably add somewhere here. Yeah, but that drop was crazy. That's $1.50 candle. This candle here is about $2. So that's crazy. And there's volume as well. After missing that, because I was kind of like done for the day, I said, okay, maybe I'll take this. Um, Small win here plus here, close to my target, but it showed more opportunity at 213. What I did was, I my level for short actually was 215 area or 214.66 or 214, like basically that's my area short area. This green line here is just an area to remind myself that it's a round number. But I told myself, okay, maybe I can give it a try. I felt that it had to, because I stopped out twice, 3 times actually. So that was a short 212.62. I took profit here, 10%, and I stopped out. So I was hoping I was risking $1 move for every trade, basically. Even though it's a little tight here because I didn't want to give back any of my profit. So I was doing a dollar risk for every trade. Same here, but those are all small losses. So this one I stopped out 64 2 cents loss. I shorted it again, so about 30 cents loss here. So I gave back a little bit of profit, and then I said, okay, one more try. I shorted again against 213. What happened was I was not shorting on a white candle. So as you can see from my trade, I wait for it to become a red candle and I enter. So I wait for a doji to show up like this. When it goes down more, it shows a red candle and a short, and I take profit. Same what I did here. I waited for this wick and it become red candle. I shorted. I don't want to short on a white or a what uptrend. So I was just basically waiting for a rejection. That's how I short. Wait for a rejection, go back, and then take profit. Stop out, so stop me out. And then that's what I did here again. So candle opened here, it went down, it went up. So that's about Yeah, so I'll be stopping out. So like here, even though it's a dollar risk, I'll be stopping out 213. So it's not a full stop. So it's gonna be stopping me out. So which one is this? 9. So that was yeah, so that was my last short. So around 212.68. So that's actually a little late entry. This was the best entry, but it's dumb me out. And then I tried again. So I was really patient, as you can see. I showed this candle here, shorted it, slowly taking partial because these are all 10% partial because I was just not sure of this trade because my short area was actually 214. And then almost all out in this last one here when it showed this white candle. I said, okay, I'm gonna get out at 211. So yeah, that's it. I added more. It's just a small shares. My risk was actually average cost was somewhere at 212.25 after the ad because it was not a big ad. Then it stopped me out at the highs of this wicks. So and then eventually it went down here. I thought it was gonna go down to 210s. I thought 213 was the top for this one, but no, it's not. It actually retested 214s again. It tested a few times. You probably get trapped in the short here. And then look at that. It's up to 216. It didn't even touch the 217.65. It's strong. It was strong for the day. It must be really stressful to trade this much for the whole day. So I'm happy with what I got for today. Simple and easy, quick in and out scalp. Yeah, so I mean, I like this. I like it this way. I like the adrenaline. It won't work for everyone, but that what works. That's what works for me. Yeah. So yeah, it's not bad. Can't remember what I did for the whole week, but yeah, I remember I have a few mistakes looking back. But today was a little more calm. Actually, when I was shorting this, see, I was stopping out. I was stopping out. It's just when I stop out, it's like okay, the good job. I tap on my back, tap on myself when I stop out because it's hard to stop out. Basically, it's hard to stop out manually. These are all manual stops, by the way. These are all manual stops. Using my shortcuts in my mouse. I do not wait for a full stop. If I risk a dollar, I do not wait for me to get stopped out in a dollar move. Well, if you look at this trades, if I wait, I could have made more. But the thing is, you don't know where it's gonna go, right? As long as it makes new highs, just stop out, short it again. If you're short bias, then do this kind of method. Like for me, if I'm gonna take this long, I'll wait for this wick to go back here, and this is where I will enter, and that's where I will enter in this white candle. You don't want to enter here unless you're sure that you're gonna stop out right somewhere here. Because what happened was this will be a red candle here. There will be no wick. There'll be a red candle here. Yeah, it's probably gonna if you're short here or if you I mean it's hard to explain. If you're gonna take it long here, you have to stop out somewhere at just the bottom of this candle here. Bottom wick. Tomorrow, I think not tomorrow, Monday. I think what's gonna happen is it's gonna hover around 215 and 217 area or this $3 level here. I think I've had some really good predictions with Tesla. But I think what's gonna happen, it's gonna gap up again. If not, if it doesn't gap up, it's gonna be back somewhere at 210s and retest 210s again. So that's a really wide range. If you're gonna take this short, yeah, below 210s is probably a good area to short. Um, or this 217 area. If it opens somewhere here, yeah, 210s below 210s. If it opens somewhere here, retest 217 maybe. 217, 215, play around in this area here. At least you have a number at 217 because it could try to 220 as well, right? You can still try 220. Let's look at my Tesla lines. Okay, so as you can see here, I don't have much levels here anymore. That's actually my last level. Next will be somewhere, yes, somewhere at 225. That's insane. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, around this area here. Yeah. 223 area if it continues. But look at that. It's up too much. It's up too much. And the volume is just almost the same. There's gonna be a huge sell-off after this because unless somebody's accumulating like what uh Kathy Wood saying that it will go to 2000. Tesla will go to 2000. So this is, yeah, there's still room. Yeah, 233. You can see here. Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you look, yeah, that's kind of like an area of support and area of resistance. So 217.65. Actually, it's a good area to hold. Like as you can see here. Yeah, yeah. Here that was a low. So I'll play it with 218 area. Let's say 218. Fight 218 for a short. Yeah, and see what happens. Wow, look at that. I had a long swing at 165 before. Imagine if I held my position. 30% winner. Yeah, I did not held. I sold early. Amazing. Tesla is amazing. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen in here, please comment down below. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If you have you can just reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you. Yeah, so it was an easy day for two tens to defend two tens actually. Yeah, it's just this was I was a little too early because I want to break out this 210. That's the reason why. But if I enter here, if it goes back, then I'll probably stop out and then try to consider short below this 2980. Levels, 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 just levels. Yeah. If you're a part-time trader, let me know. Just comment below. Yeah, and then we can probably catch up and talk and see how it goes. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.